The law versus opinion debate. Everyone has an opinion in cooperative housing law. Committee members, builders, consultants, everyone. WhatsApp groups, WhatsApp messages, full of advice. But the law isn't what people say. The law is what the courts decide. One landmark judgment can overrule hundreds of opinions. Are you relying on assumptions or should you rely on law? Before any dispute begins, every litigation begins with one big mistake. The biggest mistake of everyone is ignorance of law. A single resolution passed without understanding the legal implications can lead to years of litigation. Courtrooms are very expensive classrooms. Learn the law before the dispute begins. Every decision has a legal consequence. Every signature of a secretary, every resolution of a managing committee, every decision of the general body has legal consequences. Managing cooperative housing society isn't the administration. It is administration under law. A question is, are your decisions legally defensible? Now, the Bombay High Court has answered most of these questions to judgments. It can be a question related to whether a builder can stop deemed conveyance, whether a single member can stall redevelopment, can a society act beyond its bylaws? Everything has been answered by the courts. Now, you have to read beyond the act. Understand how judges interpret the law, interpret the act. That will make the difference. The strongest legal argument is often already written in a landmark judgment. Don't just know the sections, understand the principles behind them. Now, what is the cost of assumption? We have done it this way for so long. It is the most often used statement in a cooperative housing society. Very generic statement which is used. We have been doing this in this way. Tradition does not override law. What worked yesterday may not survive today. Replace assumptions with legal certainty. Every housing professional, whether if you are an advocate, a chartered accountant, a society office bearer, a property consultant, one thing is very common. Every decision you make has a legal dimension to it. Professional success today demands more than experience. It demands a legal awareness backed by judicial interpretation. Think like a court. The difference between winning and losing a housing dispute often lies not in the facts, but in the understanding of how the court thinks. Learn to see beyond the provisions of the act. Learn to interpret the law through landmark judgments and judicial reasonings. Every housing society has a different story to tell. There are disputes relating to maintenance, to redevelopment, elections, membership, conveyance, etc., etc. And every legal principle is a judgment that changes the way the law is understood. So don't learn the hard way. Come, join us. We will complete this journey together in this executive certificate program. And let's stand apart from the rest, wherein we interpret the law and the act in the proper manner in order for a very efficient running of the housing societies. Enroll today to the Law and Administration Professional Certification Program. Let's break new ground and set new standards in the cooperative sector. I am Advocate S. Parthasarthy, Vice President, MahaSewa, who will be your faculty for this particular Law and Administration Professional Certificate course. Thank you.